Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to add multiple accounts on Snapchat. If you have more than one Snapchat account or you want to manage someone else's account, you can add additional accounts to your app. So step number one is to open your Snapchat app and go to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. From your profile page, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access your Snapchat settings. Now scroll down and find the logout section, then select or tap on it. Okay. Once you have logged out your account, you can now see the sign up and switch account option. So to add multiple accounts, you just have to tap or switch account and type out your username and your password. Okay. Then once you have added another account in your Snapchat app, you can now easily switch between multiple accounts on your Snapchat application. Okay, and that's it. Just remember to log out of each account when you're done using it to maintain your privacy and your security. Thanks for watching and happy snapping. Bye.